continued high economic growth and major social.
To all, I am P. Lakshita from 7th Standard D section. Today's social activity, former Prime Minister of India, Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi was the first woman Prime Minister in India. She is known as the Iron Lady. She was born on 19th November 1917 in Allahabad. She is the daughter of
Dr. Manmohan Singh as the 14th Prime Minister. Dr. Singh served a full decade from 2004 to 14. India's first Sikh Prime Minister. His tenure was marked by continued high economic growth and major social welfare legislation.
மத்திய வணக்கம். என் பெயர் ராடார்வின். 7ஆம் வகுப்பு பிரிவில் படிக்கிறேன். இன்று நான் கூறப்போவது விடுதலை போராட்ட மகாத்மா காந்தி ஒரு சிறந்த சுதந்திர போராட்ட வீரர். அவர் அக்டோபர்.
மத்திய வணக்கம். என் பெயர் ராஜர்ஷன். நான் 7ஆம் வகுப்பு பிரிவில் படிக்கிறேன். நான் பேசப்போகும் சுதந்திர போராட்ட வீரர் மகாத்மா காந்தி. மகாத்மா காந்தி ஒரு சிறந்த சுதந்திர போராட்ட வீரர். அவர் அக்டோபர் 2, 1869ஆம் ஆண்டு குஜராத் மாநிலத்தில் போர்பந்தரில் பிறந்தார். இவர் முழு பெயர் மோகன்தாஸ் கரம்சந்த் காந்தி.
I am B. Sanjay. I am from 70. I tell one moral story. The snake go to the woman. The blade scratched the snake. The snake was very hungry and bite the blade. The blade was cut the tongue of the snake. The snake was very angry and attacked the blade.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. I am YIS from 70. Today's moral story, a rabbit and a crow. Once upon a time, a rabbit had tried to copy other animals. One day he saw a goose sitting on the tree branch. He copied the crow and sit the land and
Good afternoon to all. I am Adarshan from 7th B. I tell you one moral story. A farmer and the snake. Once upon a time, there was a farmer. One morning he is returned from his field.
My name is Vivek. I study in 7th D. Today my topic is maths mathematicians. Srinivasa Ramanujan was the great Indian mathematician. She was born on 22 December 1887. Erode in Tamil Nadu. His birthday. In present year. I am seeking the Priya from 7th D. Today maths riddles. How many months have 28 days? One month.
I'm going to talk about maths riddles. What number can you multiply by itself to get 81?
81. My name is V. Sujay. I am from 7th D. Today I will speak about mathematician Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was born on. Aryabhatta was first mathematician and astronomer of India. He was born in 476.
I am K. Gobi Krishnan.
I am Abhi and from 7th D. Today
Science activity.
nutrition in amoeba. An amoeba finds a suitable organism. It pushes out two pseudopodia around the organism.
In the result with some little surrounding, some little.
Present here. I am G. Kirtana Priya from 7th D. Today I am going to check about starch present in food items. This is sweet. It's not changing the color. It's a fruit. This is also not change the color. This is right. This not also change. This is changing the color. This not changing the color. Thank you.